Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC Ultra HD step by step. Install a reliable Android emulator and grant it adequate CPU and RAM, then download the Pubg Mobile APK from a trusted source. Configure the emulator to Ultra HD resolution, set high frame rate, and map keyboard and mouse controls for precise aiming. Test settings in a bot match and tweak until gameplay feels smooth and responsive. In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC Ultra HD step by step. Open emulator graphics settings and choose Ultra HD resolution matching your display, then pick a frame rate target like 60 FPS. Adjust texture quality and shadow detail to balance visuals and performance, and test with a training match to observe stutters. Use GPU monitoring to identify bottlenecks and lower one setting at a time until gameplay is stable. In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC Ultra HD step by step. Quick recommendation: life is long and sessions are long, so consider darn tough socks for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty when you sit through long matches. They're comfy, durable, and a small upgrade that makes marathon gaming nicer. If you found this helpful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC Ultra HD step by step. Open the emulator keymapping tool and drag controls onto HUD elements, assigning mouse look and WASD for movement first. Create separate sensitivity presets for sights and hipfire, and bind prone, crouch, and jump to reachable keys. Practice recoil control in training, then save profiles per weapon type, so you can switch quickly during matches without losing aim consistency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.